Well, welcome to this combined ValueMed and UK drug testing product demonstration video for the new UK drug testing 10-in-1 workplace drug screen. This is the foil that it comes in with our UK drug testing branding, precision drug test from Access Diagnostic Test Limited. On the rear of the foil, we've got a very simplified and easy to follow test procedure advice and interpretation of results advice. We've also got the 10-in-1 drug abbreviations included on this test, which is intended for workplace screening. The tests include amphetamine, buprenorphine, benzodiazepines, cocaine, methamphetamine, MDMA, which is ecstasy, MOP for opiates, MTD for methadone, THC is your cannabis screen, and Ket is your ketamine. So a good combination for UK workplace or home or self-testing. This is the test panel out of the foil. It's a double-sided test panel, again with our UK drug testing banding on it. On the rear, we've got 5 tests indicated here with those drug abbreviations in the column above each test, and on the front another 5. To perform the test, simply remove the cover to expose the 10 little prongs that come out of the base and dip it into a freshly collected urine sample. The sample should not touch the bottom of the test panel device, and it needs to be placed into the sample and held steady for around 5 to 10 seconds. What you can see already occurring in this panel is that pink dye laterally flowing up through the test result window area, and you can leave it in there until you're confident that sufficient sample's been absorbed. When it has, you can remove it from the sample and place it back into its cover. And you'll see both sides are starting to run. You now need to start a timer and come back. We recommend you start your timer for 5 minutes and interpret the results showing at that time. So we'll do that and show you the test results from this panel. Well, my 5-minute timer has just gone and we're going to show you the results now. Nice clear white background, the pink dye is almost completely cleared, and you can see what we're looking for on this side of the test is 5 control lines, which we've got. Reverse the test and check the back, we've got 5 control lines showing again on the rear. Now we're then looking for the interpretation of a positive or negative result by the absence or presence of a test line with a control line in the read time of 5 minutes. And you can see we've got test lines across all 5 of these membranes on one side and a matching 5 test lines on all 5 membranes on the rear. So this is a completely negative test result. The example here given on the panel does show that there will be some variance in the test line colour density, and you can see it here between the benzodiazepines and the buprenorphine test. A dark test line on bup, a faint test line and a fainter control line also on the benzodiazepines. These will vary. Do not try and infer any significance of the colour density of your test line or its thickness. As long as there is a test line showing with a control line at the correct read time, the test must be interpreted as fully negative. If no test lines develop by 8 minutes, then that indicates a positive result where a control line is showing in the top half of that membrane's results. If that was the case, you would need to confirm what was causing that positive result on this screening test. Easy to do. If all the test lines are showing at 3 minutes, they're not going to change, and you can interpret the result as all negative and move on to the following test. But you must allow the full 8 minutes for a test line to develop before interpreting a positive result using this test. Thanks for watching. If there's any questions, please pop them in comments or contact our customer service team. Thanks for watching.